There is an industry phenomenon nowadays. Most vehicles which are made in China have appeared all over the world in recent years. The keys in my hand are for some of vehicles which are also made in China. These keys are for Cherry, BYD. This for Great Wall, also Great Wall. But if we need the vehicles which are made in China, how to find the accurate dedicated base in 2m2tank CNC cutting machine? This is what we need now. For example, I want to make a key copy for Great Wall. Key database, vehicle data, search Great Wall. Great Wall has many branches. Here, Great Wall Havel is what we are looking for. Havel, latest one, H9. Click. Latest year. This one, 9 cuts. Click. Here is the instruction of key installation. Pay attention. The key tip has to overpass the first line. Identify. The machine is identifying key biddings. We already get the key biddings, and then install this key blank or this one. Both of them are okay. Same way, the key tip has to overpass the first line. Click cut. Continue. We finished cutting. There is only one groove on the original key. Compare with the original key. Try to turn the lock on. It looks perfect.